Top focus, of course, is Riya Chakrabarti, but her whereabouts are not known as of yet.
Well, that is right. Swati, Riya Chakrabarti has been communicating via her lawyers. The Bihar cops have maintained that they don't know where exactly she is. Whether the Mumbai police knows about it or no, that is really questionable. But with respect to this entire investigation is concerned, the Bihar police, we understand, will be speaking to each and everybody, people who were there at home as well. Some of them have been already spoken to. Today, we understand that they are likely to go to Disha Salian as well, who reportedly committed suicide around a week ago after Sushant Singh Rajput's death as well, and they will be speaking to the family members to understand. I mean, Mumbai police has always maintained that there is no relation between the two cases, because Disha Salian was a former manager of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, but Bihar police will probe that angle as well and will try to find out if there was any link at all. And with respect to the other people who have been who will be questioned till now, everybody we have spoken to, Times Now has spoken to the cook, Times Now has spoken to the office manager, Times Now has spoken to the broker, we have spoken to the gym trainer as well. Everybody is maintaining that all the staff, the entire staff of actor Sushant Singh Rajput was changed immediately. I mean, it was changed around 4 months ago. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide. So why this mysterious changing happened? Why these guys were sacked? That is the main question that arises.
Exactly. Let's also, go across to Siddhant. All these individuals that we've spoken to who were either working for Sushant Singh Rajput, part of his staff or his close friends, seem to be pointing their fingers towards Riya Chakrabarti.
Well, that's right. Most of them we have spoken to have told us and have confirmed to us that how the time Riya entered Sushant's life, she sacked almost all of his staff. The new replacements came in as Sushant's staff. Not just that, Riya also had started taking a lot of decisions related to Sushant and Sushant's life. Even some has alleged on her camera that she was handling the finances also. Sushant just used to sign on the check, and this is what is also reflecting in the bank account statements of Sushant Singh that we have accessed. Now, all the hints are towards Riya Chakrabarti, and as Arunil was mentioning, that today, in all likelihood, Bihar police can record statement of Riya's Disha Salian's father and mother, and we have also been told that the teams are searching for them, and father and mother has left house, the other residence, this morning, and where they are, we don't know exactly, but Bihar police is very actively looking for Disha Salian's case as well. Yesterday they were at Malvani police station. They went there to take case related details of Disha Salian, because
what is also important, Bhavtosh, here is whether these statements are on record, whether Bihar police is going to speak to each one of them, and then the police will also have to establish these statements.